Hello guys, summer coming back again, and this work with charm, very nice. Today I'm not talking about this, so today I'm showing two things that's probably need everyone for dye projects, like do it yourself. So one of I found a company that's a good review. um, it's like Fanttik. One is Fold S1 packs this screwdriver, and this is for soldering iron, and this is portable, battery operated, both are thing. So sometime we are out of home and we don't have any plug, like I don't have any inverter in my truck. I have, but that one is go bad. So I later on I install a new one. And sometime we have a critical project, small solder, need small solder or something, a repair in my truck. So I buy this one. So I'll show you what in these boxes, and later on I'll make another video to show you how they work. So today I just show you what in the box, just opening. Let's see. Actually, this is a radar, truck radar, and this is going to bad, extremely bad. I'll show you. See, it's a lot of creasing. See, and it's disconnected from the main board. So I'm gonna repair this. See, this one broken, and this is camera. Actually, this is for Freightliner. My buddy, he gave me to fix this, so I don't have a time in home. So this work. Let's see what in this box is. So first of all, this one. Very nice. It's a plastic packing. Oh, so this is the screwdriver. It's a foldable. We can make this like this, and this is the push button, and just go straight. Some bits, long neck. Maybe this is the charging cable. Yeah, this is the charging cable. That's it. This is everything in the box, and it's electric. Is a torque 7, and we can adjust the torque from here. See, we can adjust the torque from here, and this button screw in and out, and this is the speed, low, high. This is the battery indicator. This is the light. See, okay. So right now, user manual, stand, is the pump, this is the soldering, and this is the base plate. So let me open this. Okay, everything is here. Carry case. This is rubber tips for this pump, and the plucker, charging cable, and these are pads for cleaning the tip, and this is the base of stand. This is for holding pad, and this one goes here. It's a 360 rotatable. See, rotate any direction. And this is the soldering iron itself. There are temperature setting. It starts from 390. Oh wow. And we can hold here. So this tiny location have all our tips. So that's it. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. So my next video, so how it work, is good or no good, I'll let you know. Thank you, take care, bye bye, safe drive.